This video examines the critical connection between residential waste management, building habitability, and property valuation, focusing on a case study of a multifamily residence. The subject property is a multifamily building in New York City. The core issue is the landlord's failure to provide secure containment for heavy waste, leading to public scavenging and vermin. This investigation analyzes the consequences of these failures. We find that unsecured waste compromises habitability, creates health hazards, lowers property values, and causes significant resident distress. The heavy waste conundrum arises when trash exceeds the capacity of standard chutes. Management's failure to provide secure storage forces bags into open areas, attracting scavengers and creating severe blight. Poor communication compounds the issue. When chutes close for maintenance, a lack of clear physical signage leaves tenants without instructions, resulting in trash being abandoned in common areas. Without a secure, two-tiered containment system, scattered food remnants create an active harbor for vermin, leading to chronic rodent and insect infestations throughout the building. Beyond physical damage, this situation impacts quality of life. The building's exterior serves as a visual filter. When guests see overflowing waste, they form negative judgments about the property and its tenants. Tenants may experience social isolation, avoiding hosting guests to spare themselves the embarrassment of the building's condition, or feeling forced into a stressful apology routine when they do have visitors. Environmental stress is a reality as well. Tenants and guests are forced to navigate through rotting odors, biological liquids, and active vermin sightings, turning a simple trip home into a health hazard. Ultimately, the home loses its role as a sanctuary. When the approach to one's living space is visually ruined, residents often feel trapped, losing the pride they once felt in their home. Legally, this constitutes a breach of the implied warranty of habitability. Owners are required to ensure premises are safe and clean. Failing to secure waste directly violates these standards. Beyond basic warranties, these failures often violate fire, housing, and sanitation codes, creating dangerous obstacles in egress routes and subjecting owners to aggressive municipal fines. Financially, negligence accelerates asset decline. Infestation and blight lead to higher vacancy rates, increased operational costs from emergency repairs, and a collapse in total market valuation. To reverse this, management must implement a strategic infrastructure framework that ensures heavy waste is securely contained from the moment of disposal until it is collected by municipal services. Solutions include restricted access infrastructure, standardized physical communication protocols for maintenance, and continuous asset monitoring via security cameras to deter unauthorized access and restore dignity. Moving on to environmental factors, heavy winds and turbulent weather act as accelerators. They turn unsecured trash into mobile debris, spreading contamination across the property and surrounding neighborhood. First, consider the physics of wind. Unsecured trash bags often act like sails, dragging across surfaces until they rip open. Once ripped, lightweight materials like paper and plastic can be lifted into the air and dispersed. In urban environments, we must also consider the wind tunnel effect. Tall buildings create microclimates that funnel high-velocity wind into trash storage areas, while corner vortexes can lift debris onto balconies and fire escapes. Torrential rain also presents a risk through hydrodynamic transport. Runoff can sweep scattered garbage into storm drains and catch basins, causing clogs that lead to localized flooding around foundations. These weather events also compound sensory and biological degradation. Strong winds can carry foul odors directly into tenant windows, while a rain creates saturated, rotting sludge that leaves permanent stains and slip hazards. This summary highlights how wind and rain interact with poor waste management to create widespread environmental blight and potential structural issues for residential properties. Ultimately, keeping our multifamily residential buildings safe and clean starts with the landlord. Property management must treat maintenance as a priority to ensure a healthy living environment. Thank you for reviewing this assessment. You can find more information and contact details on our website or follow the Civic Audit Initiative on our social media platforms.